up and close and personal. No flitter. This is no flitter. This is no fucking flitter. Fuck the flitters. Look.
All right, you guys, so this is the hair that I use. I use 1 box of L'Oreal True Color and Magneta and 2 boxes in Chroma Flame. I'm cutting the end of the bottle because it's a lot easier to push the dye out that way. So as you can see, I'm dumping it into this big bucket, just pushing it out through. And here I'm using 20 volume developer. I used 3 bottles of dye and 6 ounces of developer in total because I didn't want anything bright. So once you mix it and get this soupy consistency, then you can start putting it on the hair. Just make sure that the consistency is soupy and not clumpy, so that way the dye properly goes onto your hair until it's fully saturated. And then the next clip, I'm going to show you how I did not bring it all the way to the top. I left about an inch of space. So yeah, y'all, so I made this, I bought this unit. This is a 6x6 HD transparent lace closure wig. It's a closure. I'm trying to show you. It's a closure. I got it from ALIPEARL. Alright, guys, so I just finished putting my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder on the closure, and I just sprayed it with some Got To Be. It's dry now, so now we're about to start the installation process. Oh my god, it's giving scalp. Don't play with me. Stop it. All right, boys, so like I said, it's giving scalp. Stop playing with me. Okay, like, Sony, relax. All right, but like, whoa, okay, so obviously you can see it's right here. Probably need to cut that little piece off. But like, even, wow, like, you feel me? Like I said, I'm not gonna lie, this lace though, this is like the best lace I ever get. Oh my god. But yeah, I got that Andy hot comb off of Amazon. It's really good so far. What I really like about it, it gets real hot real quick. So far, but I've only had it for about a week, but so far so good. I'm going to be using the Cantu natural hair wave curling mousse from Cantu. It gives it like a soft hold, like it's not all the way hard. Like I have the Got To Be mousse, but that one has a stronger hold, and I don't want to do all that right now. So got my edge brush, got the mousse, and let's get to work. Later. Alright, boys, so I'm back or whatever. This is the look. It's not perfect because you can still see my skin through it, but it's not that deep. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. They make it learn it again and again till you get it right. We're gonna take these rollers out. So I got some weightless coconut oil right here. Weightless hydrating oil mist. So I'm just gonna spray my hands. Okay. And take these out. Okay, it's definitely giving curls for the girls. Okay, let me see what is it gonna give? Is it gonna give what I want it to give? Whoa. Ooh. Okay. This is gonna give what it's supposed to give. But I'm gonna be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is the makeup, the hair. I just have a top on, nothing crazy with the outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, this hair is from ALIPEARL. It is their 16-inch 6x6 HG transparent body wave wig. It's given very much, yeah, you don't see, okay? Fine. Okay, so make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow your girl on social media at LalaVTV. Subscribe down below. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.